Hola, ¿qué tal? Bueno, hoy vamos a estar haciendo estas cositas. Por acá tengo en algún lado. En algún lado tendría que tener un boiler. Una plantilla. No sé si quiero usar esto o no. No lo sé, no lo sé. Podemos intentar, porque tengo varias, entonces no me acuerdo bien cuál es cuál. Supongo que esta, el Letterbox, es la que más vamos a preferir. Um, hmm. Donde estaba, o sea, primero tendría que hacer esto realmente, pero no tengo ganas, así que vamos primero con esta. Aunque es posible que me frustre un poco, tengo que hacer una cosa que nunca hice, que es Affine Textures para rotarla. Probablemente intente hacer eso primero. Vamos a tratar de eso, de importar este asset, este PNG, y rotarlo. Vamos a intentar hacer eso primero. Sí, supongo que lo puedo copiar simplemente y ya está. A ver si hay algún ejemplo. No. Bueno, déjenme que agarro algunas cosas. Bueno, acá como ven el asset claramente está rotado, así que vamos a intentar hacer eso. Después vamos a hacer que sube y baja. Después vamos a hacer así como una cortina de nieve. No sé, vamos a ver cómo lo hacemos. La cortina de nieve no sé cómo hacer para... no sé cómo hacer para liberar la memoria más adelante. O sea, porque no sé si quiero chequear cada frame que cada partícula esté dentro de la pantalla. Me parece un poco exagerado, pero... Podemos hacerlo así, ver a cuántos FPS va y decir, bueno, ya fue. Así que denme un momento que estoy... A ver... Ahí está. No, para, esto lo quiero sacar. Ahí. Quería tener el overlay que suelo usar en Windows, o sea, el que suelo usar para otros directos, pero no, solo lo puede hacer andar en Windows, así que bueno, NT. O sea, cuando lo quise pasar para acá, bueno, no funcionaba, pero bueno, no pasa nada, es lo mismo. Me gusta usar esto más que el más que el nano, la verdad. Me gusta ir yendo y viniendo. Vamos a ver qué tal, pero no estoy cómoda con ningún IDE. O sea, salvo con el Visual Studio Code, pero es muy pesadito y no me gusta eso. Estoy más cómoda con el editor de texto. Digamos... bueno, lo suyo sería ir de a poco, obviamente. Primero vamos a importar la textura, o sea, importar la imagen, ¿no? Tengo muchas cosas abiertas, eso no me gusta. Esto lo quiero tener abierto igual de referencia. Las terminales por ahora no las necesito, pero yo creo que las voy a abrir en su carpeta correspondiente. O sea, ¿dónde? O sea, acá, ahí va. Vamos a abrir una terminal acá. Primero necesitaría ver dónde está la textura, dónde se renderiza la textura. Acá, no. Oh, ¿dónde está? Vaya perdida. A ver si le pongo, no sé, PNG. Acá estaba. No sé cómo no la vi. Soy medio ciega. Bueno, o sea, vamos a hacer alguno de estos. Y bueno, obviamente eso debería funcionar porque es el boilerplate que ya tenía de antes. Vamos a chequear. Ya tenía otra terminal abierta. Tampoco me acuerdo del comando este de tal. Esto de acá para incluir SDL. Esto demo, bueno, le podemos cambiar el nombre después. Realmente da igual. Uy. Oh, lo hice mal. Vamos de nuevo. Vamos a poner anim, demo, lo que sea. Hasta ahí debería estar bien. No toqué nada. Perfecto, ok. O sea, copié y pegué, no hice nada raro. Ok. Archivo no encontrado, por supuesto, porque lo puse mal. Por eso hay que ir de una cosa a la vez, porque incluso lo más tonto es como puede fallar. Ok. Sí, por ahora ando medio lela, pero prefiero Prefiero andar medio boba y hacer 2 o 3 pavadas en 20 horas que no hacer nada. Ok, no se anima. Ah, porque lo tengo que tal. Sí. Ahora sí. Qué raro. A ver, assets f1.png, ¿no? Assets. Ok. Entonces no sé. No sé, che. PNG. Claro, tendría que funcionar, ¿no? No sé, che. O sea, lo que podría hacer es sacarlo de esa carpeta, pero bueno, no sería lo ideal, ¿no? Podemos ver, aunque sea, a ver si funciona. Uy. Oh, tengo que arreglarlo del teclado. No sé por qué. Cosas del... Bugcitos del XFCE que le tengo que... O sea, no es cambiarle nada, es solamente como volverlo a seleccionar y ahí va. Nada, vamos a probar sin el subdirectorio. A ver si ahora me da bola. Puede ser que lo haya escrito mal, pero veo que no es el caso. A ver, vamos a probar con esto acá. Vamos a probar de nuevo. Ahí. Ahora sí, ok. Igual no sé si ese era el archivo correcto. Sí. Pero no entiendo por qué esto acá funciona y acá dentro de la carpeta ya como que no quiere funcionar. No me toma el subdirectorio. A ver, que no pasa nada, que todo esto lo puedo mover acá y listo. Fin de la historia. Pero sí que es un poco incómodo. Supongo que capaz tendría que usar esto de IO. A ver. Vamos a mirar bien. Tiene unos cosos para manejar IO. Vi un ejemplo, o sea, tengo un ejemplo entre mis carpetas, pero quiero ver si hay algo acá. ¿Dónde era yo que me fijaba? Acá. Sí, por acá debería decir IO. A ver. No, IO no, File Handling, perdón. Mala mía. Acá, File Handling. Bueno, File e IO, ¿no? Quizás esto... No, esto, File System, claramente. Alguno de estos dos va a ser, no sé cuál de los dos. De repente no es tan sencillo. Si no lo... O sea, me lo dejo en favoritos como, ok, como to do. O sea, incluso me lo puedo poner... ¿Dónde está el...? Acá. Lo puedo poner acá o lo puedo poner arriba del todo. Yo siento que mejor ponerlo arriba del todo. A ver, esto es medio... ¿cómo se dice? Desprolijo, pero lo vamos a hacer igual. To do. O sea, pendiente. Te lo resalta, está bueno eso. Te lo resalta el coso. No me acordaba de esa feature. Creo que otros IDEs también. Que algunos IDEs también te resaltan eso. To do. Que importar. ¿Cómo era? Handle folders. Subdirectories. Pasa que el otro día, o sea, lo que me dan del curso de programación está todo en español, entonces me hacen una ensalada de que yo venía acostumbrado a hacer todo en inglés y de repente me dan las cosas en español y ahora tengo que volver a acostumbrarme a hacerlo en inglés porque me es más cómodo. Ok, entonces, to do instead of... sí, directamente eso. This might prove useful. No lo sé. Bueno, sí, lo vamos a hacer así. Si no le puedo poner como... No. Creo que lo vamos a dejar así por ahora, o sea, simplemente tal. Bueno, entonces tenemos que... Perdón, permiso. F1, ok. Todo esto acá. Qué desprolijidad, que esto no se hace. O sea, acá tendría que tener carpeta assets, carpeta build. Bueno, cuestiones. De hecho, no sé cómo buildear en una... creo que sí sé. No, sí sé. Pero bueno, lo vamos... O sea, tenemos todo así desprolijo, tipo la build mezclada con los assets. O sea, incluso puedo... Espera, vamos a hacer las cosas más o menos interesantes. Voy a tener estas dos carpetas, pero las voy a tener vacías. O sea, las tengo como para decir... Algún día tendría que meter todo eso adentro. Bueno. Ok, tenemos la brujita. Ahora queremos ver las texturas afines. Las texturas afines son texturas a las que le podés aplicar transformaciones de matrices y demás, creo. Como ser escalar, rotar, trasladar, supongo también. Veamos. Ok. Surface. Ok, esto va abajo, va. Claro, va abajo, no va acá. Ahí tenemos un poquito de error handling. Le podemos poner, o sea, no lastima ponerle tipo error handling. O sea, igual se sobreentiende, pero no tanto, así que no está mal. Incluso le... No, sí, así está bien. Pero acá, en la parte de textura, en vez de textura vamos a querer tener esto. Creo. No estoy seguro. O sea, por eso lo estamos probando. No hice esto yo antes, así que lo quiero probar. Hi, how's it going? I'm giving my first steps with SDL, so to say. I mean, not first steps, but... I mean, yeah. Still on my first steps, I would say. Let's see. I'm trying to make an affine texture here, so let's see. Renderer. Let's input our renderer. What else do we have? Texture. It's just my texture. I mean, we can say like which texture or something. Which texture? Yeah, that would be convenient. So let me check. Yeah, we should rename this. M texture is just like my template that I got from like Mike. I got it from like someone else, but it would be convenient for us to have. I think we will only have this one though. Like we will have like frames 1 and 2 actually. Should I say like F1 frame 1? Frame 1. I don't like the dot. I don't know. Whatever. We'll leave it in. Está bien. Bueno. No sé. El título dice español o inglés y no tenemos otra. No pasa nada igual. Vos hablá el idioma que quieras, yo te banco. Capaz me estás reputeando en ruso, pero vos mandale. Yo te banco igual. O sea, yo veo high, bueno, yo me puedo hablar en inglés. O sea, mi cerebro es bull, es tipo o español o inglés y ya está. O sea, y si no, error. O sea, te tira null mi cerebro, si no. Pero bueno. A ver. ¿En qué estábamos? Acá. Ok, todo esto no tengo ni idea yo. O sea, es como... ¿Habrá alguna explicación por acá? O sea, más o menos explica igual, ¿no? Un puntero a top left corner. Ok. Top right corner, bottom left corner. ¿Por qué tiene que tener 3 esquinas? O sea, ¿tiene que ver con las rotaciones y eso? No lo sé, la verdad. O sea, porque normalmente con 2 esquinas te alcanza. Entonces, ¿por qué consume 3? Veo que esto es el origen. Y esto debe ser como, tipo, si lo querés trasladar, supongo. A ver, vamos a leer bien la documentación. Esta documentación también está en el código. Tipo, si este código de acá, si lo mirás, el código fuente también está esto. Pero acá está más bonito, ¿no? En la wiki. Pero es el mismo texto. Exactamente lo mismo. Copia una porción de la textura de base, por ejemplo, o la textura original, la textura fuente. Copia una porción de la textura fuente a, bueno, al renderer o al rendering target con transformaciones afines con precisión a nivel subpíxel. Ok. ¿Y cómo rotamos esto? ¿Cómo se rota esto? No tengo ni idea. Vamos a buscar, a ver. How to rotate a fine matrix. Bueno, me podría ver este tutorial, supongo. O podemos leer en formato texto. Bueno. Ok. Well, I don't speak Turkish. Only my mom. Only mom does here, and she's not around. So, I mean, well, yeah, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, we're trying to rotation. Okay. We're trying to rotate things. Like this, you see. I see. I don't understand anything. Oh, sorry about that. I mean, I could watch videos explaining it, but I don't want to like have too many things. I don't want to play videos on stream. I don't know why. Okay, we can see that there's obviously like you have a 2x2 matrix. Okay, we have only 3 numbers though in here. We have the origin, right, and down. Here, yeah, we want the entire texture, so just null, I guess. We can do that one. It's this one, right? This one is null already, so that one we know. All right. Okay. Passing the parameters by position with so many of them, I don't think that's a good habit, but we'll just roll with it so far. Like, it's very prone to errors, as you can see here, like human error. So here we have the first 3 parameters, those are all right, but the other 3 I have absolutely no idea. Like, maybe we can try though. I have no idea. Let's play around with those values, I guess. I mean, maybe I should have a struct in here, honestly, but we'll just have them like hanging around. It's not a good habit, but just for starters, as a playground. Let's see. I don't know, like 0.5. Let's try with 0.5 everything and just see what that does and try to come to our own conclusions or something. So this is the origin. Okay. I was trying to come up with some more original name, but that's fine. Origin, right corner. Hold on, let's see. Top right corner or null for, okay. So like if I want to rotate my texture, say 25 degrees or 45 degrees or whatever, what should I do with these 3 values? I have no idea. I don't know, let's just try it this way and see what happens. Just trial and error. It's not a good habit, I don't recommend it, but let's just roll with it, see what happens. Yeah. Like this, like that, like this. Oh, sorry, not like that. Like that, okay. That should be it, I think. No, wait. Yeah, here. Which texture? Oh. Keyboard language trolling me once again. Let's see. Where? Okay, here. Yeah. We should replace all of this with what's the name that I gave it? Like F1, right? Okay, so let's just say F1. Let's just do it by hand. I don't know how to. Let's see, M texture. Is there any left? Nah, we're good. Okay. I might be missing some instance of these though. Of this here. Okay. That should work. Let's give it a try. Okay. Oh, I forgot the type. Yes, that's true. SDL F point. Here. Yes, I forgot the type. Sorry, I'm sorry about that. Like this, right? I mean, some people do it like this, some others do it like this. I think this is like more correct, but this is easier on my brain, so let's just do that one for now until my brain can understand the other notation, the other convention. Okay, so now this should work. Let's see. Where's the terminal? Here. Okay, let's try again. Okay, redeclaration. Yes, my bad. Another name here, different name. Okay, there. Let's try again. 0.5 cannot convert from float to float point. These are points. Okay, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. So this is a coordinate, this is another coordinate, and this is another coordinate. Okay. top right corner, bottom left corner. Okay, so this is for the object, like this is for any surface in general, right? Any texture, you need these two. And this one, I guess it's if like you want to move it. I'm not sure, like what do you get from, like how do you apply an affine transform with just these things? I don't think I'm quite sure. How to rotate, yeah, I mean, let's try to read more about it, but okay, so we have to use points. Let's try some points at random. Let's see what it does. Let's try like this, I don't know. My thoughts, like my hunch tells me that it might get like stretched out or something. I don't know, let's just try. Let's try just, yeah, random numbers. Let's see what happens. Okay. And what would an SDLF point look like? Well, let's check. That's what you get when you program with static typing or whatever it's called. Okay, here, float and float. So what? Do I need to explicitly tell you like this is a float? How does that work? How did the casting not work? The implicit casting. I don't know how to do explicit casting with like ADTs. I'm hoping that works. I don't think it will. Nah, it didn't work. Okay, doesn't like that. How do I tell the compiler that these are floats? Maybe without the F. Maybe that's what's happening here. I could totally see the F's being wrong here. I'm not sure. Let's try again. I don't think that was the issue, but that wasn't the issue, all right. Now it thinks it's a double. That's interesting. I have no idea. I mean, like if you go to the, it looks like this. Maybe I explicitly need to tell it like, I don't think you have to go through this though. I don't know, it's weird. Like float and float, and here there's floats, so I have no idea what's going wrong. Maybe I should look for the examples. I mean, I could do that, I guess. We can look for the SDL examples. It's like the last resort that I have. Where's the source code? Here. Okay, so this is SDL's source code, so we can check the examples. I don't know where the example would be. Maybe here. Rotating textures. Yeah, look at this. The library comes with an example built in. All right. So let's check that one out. Let's see. No files? Now they show up, but they didn't show up here. That's weird. Like this one worked and this one, I don't know, didn't do anything. Okay, rotating textures. Okay, so do I have to write everything by hand? No, I can just copy from here. Let's copy from here. Okay, let's see. Compiling. This is C, so we use the C compiler. It's called rotating textures. Okay, we can just say texture demo something, and let's try it out. Texture demo. You can also find these already up and running on the website, so you don't really need to do them from here. But sample PNG not found. That is correct. There's no sample PNG, but which one would it be? Let's check out the README. This example creates a window and renderer, loads a texture from a PNG file, draws it rotating around the center of the screen. Okay, well, this is a PNG, or we could maybe add our own one, check if it works. We can try this one. So let's go to the code here, one sec. .png, we can use ours, just F1 or whatever. That should be it. Okay, yes. Okay, well, let's try. No, sorry, there. Okay, well, this is how you rotate the texture, it seems. I didn't do it myself, it already came built in with the library, but it's some progress at least, I guess. Let's check out how they handled the affine textures. They didn't use a single affine texture, we were doing everything wrong. Okay, so how do you rotate, like, I don't know, here? Okay, so you have, okay, this is the pivoting point, so to say, the anchor, if you will, center anchor. You can rotate it from anywhere, like obviously as you can see here, it's rotating around like a center, but it doesn't, like a washing machine sort of, but it doesn't need to be this way. It's really funny, by the way. I wish I could like rescale it, downscale it or something, but it's fine. Actually, wait, if I, okay, it's letterbox, I think. Is it letterbox? Let me check. Where's the corners of the screen? Oh, no, I want to grab the exact pixel here. Okay, yeah, it is letterbox. Okay, well, that's cool, I guess. It's a square letterbox. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm curious on the other stuff, the affine textures. Do you think they are here, maybe? Okay, I don't think it's gonna be this one. I don't think any of the examples will use this at all. Was that even the proper name? Let me check. Yes, it was the proper name. Okay, but I want to find this in an example somewhere. No, not here. Here. Oh, no, like this. There's nothing. If I could only do a grep here, if I knew how to do that. Yeah, I don't think that's how you do it. I have absolutely no idea how to do that. Maybe like this. No? Maybe not. I don't know how to do this. All roads lead to Rome, just like they say. You do have to specify the files. Maybe with an asterisk. Let's try the asterisk. There. Ah! No, that didn't work. Like this? No. Yes, something like this. Okay, so it was something like that, but I mean, okay, I can try it like this. I think I should at least try it like that. So it was, what was it like? It can be like this too, right? Maybe. No. Does it work like this? It doesn't. Display files that contain the given thing. I don't know. It doesn't feel like this should be the output of this command. Did I do something wrong? No. I have no idea then. I don't know. Why is it doing that? I have no idea. No, this is matching file names. Matched pattern. Maybe that one. I don't know. Let's try. No, here. It's no use. I still don't know how to use grep. Oh my god, that's shameful. No. Why does it have to be so hard? It should be like, I don't know. I shouldn't be this dumb. Okay. Oh. Okay, no, that's just like it should work. I don't know. I have no idea how to do this. It's very embarrassing. Can I do like, I don't know, I'm still trying to do something, but it's just trial and error, and it's always error. Not like that, I guess. I have no idea how to do this. Let's try the other. Let's try some other tutorial. That's really embarrassing. I've always struggled with this program. Let's see. Okay, yes, like this. Okay. But how do I look for like all the files like recursively? Let's see. All files in a directory are okay. Well, let's try that one out. So like this, flag R. Aha! Now it works. Okay. Now I feel less stupid now. Okay. Let's do it like here. Okay. Let's see. File number 19. Example number 19. I should write it down too, so I don't forget. I have this one file here. Do I have like, okay, file search? How do I, like, pattern search, I guess I could say. I have this like cheat sheet where I write down all the commands that all the basic commands that I don't remember by heart. So for example, like, I don't know, grep r foo. Sorry. Grep r foo. We'll find. We'll show you. All matched. Something like that. Okay. Using affine transform textures every frame. Well, let's check that one example out. Example number 19. You can also like build them all together in one go, I believe, and scroll through them like with the arrow keys or something, but we can also just do it by hand. It doesn't matter a whole lot. Do I still have this thing on? No, I don't. I have to copy the command again. Here. Okay. It's a C file. It's called affine textures. Let's rename this like sample, for example. I think that's the name it queries. Which one is, okay, this one. And let's say just affine demo or something. Oh, affine textures. Oh yeah, my bad. It's a C file here. All right. Yeah, my bad there. Okay. Aha. All right. Well, let's see what it looks like. Let's check this example out. Okay, there's some rotation going on in here. I guess that kind of simulates like a 3D effect. It's not easy to tell because the background is the same color as whatever is inside there. If, yeah, like here. So maybe let's change that just for the sake of like clarity. Here, yes, light blue background. I don't like this because it looks confusing. Like, it's probably made on purpose, of course, but I would rather go with, I don't know, green or something. Something that has a lot more contrast. So if this was HSB, I would keep the hue. Sorry, I would keep like S and B, but it's not, so just, I don't know, let's just eyeball it like RGB, like maybe, I don't know, AA for example. So like light green. Let's just eyeball a value and see what it looks like. No, sorry, I forgot to recompile. Here. Okay, so yeah, now it's a lot more visual, a lot clearer, that it's kind of like a cube thing. I'm just curious on what this texture rotation is doing. Let's see. Where's the here? I have a lot of things opened up. I should at the very least close this one. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I want to check the affine bit, or maybe. Okay, here. This example creates this, then draws a cube. Okay, so the idea was for it to be a cube, alright? Using affine transform textures every frame. Okay. Okay. Textures are this and that. Okay. A surface is this and that. Where's the actual math? Where's the actual transformation? It's here, I guess, right? It's all these. It's all this. This is all the math, I believe. Perhaps. Render texture, origin, right and down. Let's see what they look like. Aha. Okay. Because when I tried to do this earlier today, even if it's not what we're trying to do, what we're looking for, I want to at least see how it works. Let's see, origin. Okay. So you do have to like declare it, and then I'm not sure. Like, where does this x0, y0 stuff come from? Okay, it is .f. Let's try again. I mean, even if it's not what we're looking for, I kind of want to get it to work, you know? Let's see. SDFL point, origin, right, down. I don't know how this works, like declaring 3 variables at a time. I have no idea how that works, but let's just, I don't know, just copy paste and let's check the rest out. Okay, then the pointer here, origin, right and down. Yeah, so like this should work, right? It's not what we want to do, it's not what we're looking for, but I want it to at least work, just because, you know. Okay, this is the rotating thing. Okay, this is the one we were doing, right? I have no idea why this throws an error our way. Conflicting declaration. Okay, and how do you suggest we do this at all? Let's keep on checking out this example. Okay. Okay, .x, .y. Okay, maybe let's try it that way. Let's just try it that way, see if it works. I mean, we can just keep these as comments just for my brain to visualize it better. But yeah, we can do like all these things. I don't think this will make it work, but we should at least try. I mean, I wish I don't know how to assign the multiple value, like a multi-assignation thing. I'm just gonna do it like one by one. We just want to see if it works, so it doesn't need to be like super tidy or anything. 1F. Oh. Okay. So this one is, let me check. 0.5, 1.50. Like this. Okay. 0.51. And now it should work, hopefully. I don't know what it will do. We haven't done any of the required math to know that much. M texture, I'm forgetting, or like texture or something. Where is it? What line was it? Oh, here. Line 68. Okay. Actually, let's just do things properly. Okay. Line 68 here. SDL texture or something like that. I'm not sure. Let's check. I think it's SDL texture. Kind of. Almost. STL texture, I don't know what this is, like pointer or something like that. List or pointer, I'm not sure. Reference, I don't know, something like that. Okay, something happened. Okay. I don't know what happened, but we can try to... no, I have no idea. I have no idea what went wrong, but we can try to have everything in a single line. I don't think that will make it work, but we can try. Yeah, something's going on here. What am I doing wrong? There must be something that I'm doing wrong and that I'm missing. Here. Okay. I don't know. I don't think that's how you do it, but we can try. No. Man. Oh, I am missing a... Sorry, I was missing a semicolon after all. There. Try again. No. What is this? Cannot convert... it's a bool. Okay, sure. Bool, if you want to. I lost track of the indentation. Something like that. Okay, now it works. Let's check it out, finally. I forgot the... Okay, anim demo. Here, it's this name here. Yay, and it does nothing. Woohoo. It did absolutely nothing. It didn't do anything. I think it's stretched out maybe, but I don't think so. I don't think it did anything at all. What can we try here? I don't know. So this is top right. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Top right corner. And this is the bottom left corner. Oh, sorry. There. Bottom left. I got completely sidetracked by now. I don't even want to, like, I just want to mess around with this, see what we get. I mean, we should be getting like stretching, I believe. Like this should let us do some stretching. It's not like we need to, but it's good practice. You know what I'm trying to get at here. Just trying to practice. So this is the top right corner. It would be useful if we had a small canvas to picture that for ourselves. Like, for example, what would happen if we switch the order of the, like, heuristically, intuition would tell you that this would flip the texture, right? But let's check if that is true or not. Sorry, this is the demo. My bad. Where's the actual thing? Here. Okay, let's try again. Here. Oh. Huh. What happened now? Did I forget the semicolon yet again? No, I didn't. I don't know what it's bitching about. I have no idea. What's going on here? I mean, it worked earlier today. Does the order really matter on these things? I mean, I guess it seems to do. It does seem to matter. No, but it worked earlier today. That's weird. It did work earlier today. Cannot convert from bool to STL texture. I don't think that's the issue. I don't know, it's weird. It worked earlier today and I didn't change. I barely changed anything. I mean, hold on. Is it possible that it's because I'm lacking error handling and it's just their way of saying this operation didn't go very well? Maybe it just throws an error and it doesn't. No, it's not like that. But it worked earlier today. I feel like this is complete BS. I feel like there's something else going on here that the compiler is not hinting us about. But it worked. Like just a few seconds ago, it worked perfectly fine. So what on earth just happened? I think I messed up the things. Like if I here write down, like if I get it back to how it was. It's good that we get experience with this, because even though I might not need it like right now, it's just good to see how it works. It's like experimenting around. Now it should work. My intuition tells me that now it should work. No. That's weird. 0.51, 0.50, 0.51. Why did it work earlier today and now it's not working anymore? That's super weird. XX. So that's why. Probably. That's probably why, right? No, that's not why either. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I think I changed this. Maybe. I mean, I don't think it's this thing, but you can try. I'm pretty sure it's not that, but let's try. No. It's telling me that this... I mean, can I do like... No, I cannot do a log here. I could run the debugger, but I'm too lazy for that. To check if this is true or false. It's probably false, but why? The names are correct. The initialization is also correct. I mean, I could do something like this, but does it really make any sense to do something like that? I could try. I don't think that will change anything. Like somehow earlier today we got it working and somehow it doesn't work anymore. I'm using G++. This is CPP format. But now it's a different error. Now it's two errors. Let's see. No, but this error comes from here, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know at all. I'm tempted to call it quits. Let's call it quits, I think. Let's call it quits for today and let's come back some other time. I mean, maybe I was missing this, but I don't think I was. Oh, I don't know, I lost track of the whatever I had right there. Here. Yeah, no, I mean, the semicolon is alright. The parameters are somewhat alright, like it's this texture here. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on there. I mean, it used to work just a little bit ago. Let's see, bottom left corner, top right corner. Okay, bottom left. Okay, I don't know. Like if that doesn't work, then I don't know. Where is this file? Here. Okay. I don't know, let's try like one last time, but it's gonna be the same, I reckon. Do I still have the... Yes, I do. No, I don't. Let's try like one last time, maybe. No. Let's check the page, wherever it might be. Here. Returns true on success, on failure. Call SDL get error. Okay. Well, we can try. If SDL get error. I don't think it's gonna work, right? Because it's just not gonna compile all together. But we can try. So instead of calling this directly, let's try to just query it, see if it's true or false. If it's false, fetch the error. Hopefully. Okay, let's try again. I don't think it will work at all, but well, it was worth a try. Okay, my bad. This goes with underscore, lowercase, sorry. Lowercase, okay. Just forget that this exists for the moment being. Okay. Will it throw an error? It does not throw an error. But now it doesn't work anymore. The weirdest thing is that it did work today. We believe, like maybe. I don't know. It's just really weird. Let's call it quits here. Where is it? Here. Let's call it quits. Let's say like. Oh, come on. Here. Let's say like, I don't know, failed attempt or something. Fine. Geometry, failed attempt 1. As you can see, I have a lot of like experiments. It's very messy. I should like put all of them in a deprecated folder or something. Okay, back to square one. Let's try the rotating stuff. Let's see. Textures, surfaces, callbacks, center. This is the anchor. Okay. So we only want to center. We only want to rotate our stuff once. Okay. So only on init, basically. The way we're gonna do that, well, I don't support an init thing, but I could do one right here, like SDL init, maybe. I don't know. I don't want to be throwing stuff around between init and main loop though. So how would I go about it? I mean, I could do it like checking for frame number 0. That's a bit dirty, but it would work. So maybe that's what I'll do. I don't think, maybe on render, because here there's the ticks, right? I don't know what these are. Okay, last time I have no idea what the... Okay, so this is the final FPS value, okay, and this is hopefully the ticks. Hopefully, kind of. Maybe this is the ticks, or here, I don't know. Like this is the ticks, and here it updates something. I don't know. Let's say that this is the ticks. I like to call it frame counter. I won't rename it, but maybe I should. Okay, so here's our quote-unquote frame counter. If we are at 0, no, but this is okay, so this is the main loop. Okay, so this is the main loop, okay, and here it's 0. So this is like our init, so to say. Should I place it elsewhere? Yes or no? I don't think I should, because this is inside the application, so maybe not. It is going to be a bit messy that way, but we will keep it as is. Let's call it something like this. Only runs on frame 0. Let's only runs on frame 0, on the very first frame. Okay. So here we want to do the center thing. Okay, here. I mean, we don't want to do this one though, but let's see. Okay, so this is the center of the screen. Okay, center of the screen. Yes. And how do you rotate, like the angle? How do you change the angle? Rotate it around the center. You can, okay, but what's like the angle, or how did they change that over time? Aha, we have our culprit here. Rotate around. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna steal a bit of code. Nah, it's not stealing if it's open source, as long as you give credits. So that's what I should do right now. It's good that I remembered to do that. So credits to, no, keyboard moment. Okay, here. SDL examples. Should I'm too lazy to go fetch the example on the website, but I think I should. SDL examples. Let's grab the rotation one. Rotation. Somehow I thought this would be easier, you know. I thought we would get this done in literally 1 minute, but it's been, how long has it been again? Oh god, like a whole hour. 1 hour. Okay, where's the example that we're using? So not this one, it's this one, I believe. So let's just, yeah, it's that one. You can actually see it here in action. It rotates around the center of the screen. We're only going to rotate once though, at the very start of our program. Okay, so SDL examples here, that's the credits, all right. Let's actually do one extra space in there. Okay, will this work if I just said like if I say 80 or 120 or something, and if I say like switch rotation or something, or just rotation, or maybe like this. We'll have which is texture rotate around over 2000 milliseconds. They define which rotation degrees in a circle. Okay. The indentation here doesn't look. It didn't look quite right. Not that it matters, but yeah. Let's use our cute define here. Okay. Will this work? Probably not, but we have to at least try for a bit. Okay, so here's our rotation, like value, whatever this might be. I don't really understand what this does. Like, I don't really get it. Like, these are the degrees. Okay, I believe you. These are the milliseconds. Like, every 2 seconds it will okay, here, yes. Modulo 2000. Like this part I understand. Now I don't understand. What is now? Now is okay. The current. Oh, okay. Now I understand. So every 2000. Yeah. I kind of understand now. I understand. Okay. Do we actually need this? I don't think we do. No. Not at all. No. We don't need this. My bad. But where does this go afterwards? Here. Okay. Render texture rotated. This is what we have to do. Question is where? Question is where is like render? Okay, here. So no affine, of course, no affine. Here, okay. Instead of rotation, we have defined a constant. Which rotation? Because it's not gonna vary. All right. The center is gonna be the center of the screen. So can I just do no? But okay, fine. Let's just do like. Okay, what type is? Let's see, SDL render rotated. Render texture rotated. Okay. I'm running low on battery on my phone. Do we have to do the whole point thing again? That I really don't understand how to do. I wish I knew how to do this thing. F point center. I mean, to my understanding, it should work like this, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. I really don't know. I don't think it will work like this, but I don't understand. If it's not like that, I really don't understand. I hope it goes like that. Okay. Texture like this. Will it work? Probably not, but we have to at least try. I'm pretty sure I'm missing 1,000 things right here somewhere. Like, okay, we don't need this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Where's the Okay. Render. Okay. But we only want to do that on startup. Here. Can I actually do that? Tick update render. Tick update render. Tick update. Input update render. Tick. Okay. Tick goes here. We have an issue then. We have to run. No, it's fine. No, but whatever I render here will cover whatever I render here. We have an issue, right? I mean, I could do like tick last time. No, let's just do frame counter. Let's replace. How do I do like a replace? Select all? No. Oh, I don't even know how to use the text editor. No way. It has regex. That's cool. I mean, I guess I can just do frame counter. I know this is not ideal, but we can just do it by hand. Oh, sorry, like that. No. Like this. Wow, I didn't think we would struggle this much, to be honest. Okay. So, as much as I would like to have this thing here, it's just not possible. Because we, like, whatever I do here, if I render something here, this will get rendered on top. Okay. Current tick. Current tick. Current tick. Okay. So now here, render. Where did we have our stuff? Here, right? Okay, we can do this. If this is current frame, okay. So if current frame 0, how do I do, because if I do this, it might, I don't want to overlap any pre-existing functions that just might happen to have the same name. Like I want a name that is not likely to overlap anything, any pre-existing alias. My init, maybe? Sure. It's not the best name ever, but it will have to do to make the void this thing. Oh, sorry. And here we will have this here. And this here. And I forgot the semicolon here. Okay. Okay, I'm probably missing a billion things, including this actually. DST rect, screen center, I guess. I'm tempted to just copy it. It's not the cleanest thing ever, but let's just try to at least get it working first. And then we can tidy it up afterwards, even though that's not ideal, but... Wow! Bajillion errors! Woohoo! Okay. Oh. Okay, something like that. And it still isn't working. Oh, sorry. Uppercase moment. Has not been declared. No way. It's right here. Current frame. Yes, it's right here. Line 109. Ah, because I forgot to... Okay, yeah, int or something. Let's try again. Yeah, I forgot to do just that. Okay, even more stuff. Aha, I forgot this again. Okay. Something like this, I believe. I think, I'm not sure. Okay, some more errors. DST rect. Aha, I forgot to declare this. Center, I already did that. Ah, but that's the center of the texture, not the center of the screen. Whoopsies. Okay. I don't know, we just roll with it. Okay. DST rect. Where did I use that one? Here. Okay. So this will not work as intended, probably, because I think I messed up some stuff, but let's try to at least get it running. Okay, yes. Ooh, okay, this one I have no idea what it's bitching about, but the other two, yes. No, maybe this one stems from these two. Okay, texture width, I have no idea, like how do I even query that? How do I even query my width and height? How does this person do it? How does the example do it? 0. Okay. Sure. Can I do it globally? Probably not. So let's just drop it here, just in case. Still the same error. I have no idea what this error message is. In class initialization. I have no idea what that is. I mean, it works here. Sure, this uses callbacks though. Can I just throw like a random But no, but it's probably assigned to afterwards, right? Ah, it was alright. It was assigned to. SDL3 surface load PNG. Let's try that out, I guess. But if I do it here, it won't, I don't think it will have the proper scope. Like, even if this were to work, I don't think the scope will reach all the way to where we have to use this. I'm not sure though. Should be fine like that. No. I don't know why here it throws some errors and here it's completely fine with it. I don't know. I kind of just want to let's just have some placeholder numbers. I hope it lets me do that much at least. This was probably okay. Let's try. Hold on. Let's try one last thing. Let's try to declare these two variables outside the struct. See if that changes anything, which I don't think it will, but just in case. That did fix it. Okay. And we have one last thing to fix, which I have no idea about. Conversion from float to something. Okay, so it's just this one left to fix. Okay, center. And then how do you... Okay, center.x, center.y. Okay. Let's try it like that. So let's try to do it in that, with that format. I'm pretty sure there must be a way to do it in a single line though. But let's try to do it that way. And then we can try other stuff eventually. But first let's try it this way. Now it should work. It should. No. I forgot the semicolon. Sorry. That's very dumb. Will it work now? Yes, please. Rotation demo. Let's go. It doesn't do anything. But at least it compiled. It runs. It actually runs. Okay. So, what now? Let's see. I'm rendering this thing. Okay. I'm rendering it here. Okay. So why is it not showing up? I think it's a fair question to make ourselves right now. Okay. I mean, it might be getting rendered off screen. It might be. Texture width, texture height. Just how do you even query this? With the thing. Okay. But then it defines that here. Ah, okay, no, it's okay. I don't want to do logs, but I will do logs, I think, at this point. SDL log. Let's just see if it works, yeah. Okay. Oh. Texture with texture height. We have to at least check that it's fetching those values correctly. Sorry. Like this. Maybe that looks a little better. Or maybe like that. I'm such a perfectionist. It's disgusting. It's completely disgusting. Okay. Wow. No logs somehow. How come? No logs coming in. Why is that? It's like this function is not running at all. Current frame seems to never be 0. So let's ask for what the current frame is. Current frame, it's gonna be something. We are yet to find out. Maybe it's in milliseconds. I really don't know. Oh, something happened. I forgot the semicolon. Yeah, sorry. Noob mistake. Okay. Okay, so can you tell me? Oh, that was a little fast. Let's add some delay, maybe. Let's add some delay. I hope that doesn't alter anything else. SDL delay. I don't know, 2000 or something. 2 seconds. Oh, sorry. Wrong key. Here. Okay. No, not like that. But maybe if I'm fast enough. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay. 800 frames already went by. Oh no, here it starts at 279. But why is that? Like we were doing the initial rendering on frame 0. This is wrong though altogether, I believe. Yeah, this is all wrong. Like I'm trying to think. Okay, I'm trying to think. We can leave this empty. I don't know if that's... I think that's completely valid. Let's do like render which, or just which, you know. Render which. Let's paste everything again. Okay. And now, yeah. Now it should work. Yeah. Like this won't do anything so far. But if we need it later, if we need it at some point, we have the structure there, the framework to work with. Okay, so render which here. And I need to get rid of all the logs afterwards. So which render which. Oh, no. Control S, not Control W. Okay, let's try again. No, wait. Wrong. Sorry, I recompile first. Okay, and now try again. Oh, it still doesn't work. Okay, but now it's fetching the texture stuff correctly, which is great. But now I need to get rid of all those logs. I mean, I could take it a step further and do this here. Let's see if it works though, but I hope it does. So we can check what the first frame is. Current frame was not declared. It sure wasn't. So let's declare it already. No, but it's... Yeah, I see the issue. This doesn't like... This is like, if the issue is fixed, show us that the issue is wrong. It's like completely doesn't make sense. Here, yeah, let's just keep it that way. I mean, I could add a counter here, but let's not do that. Let's do it like whatever. Okay, and what's the first frame? 284. I have no idea why. Instead of starting on frame 0, it starts at... Because these are the milliseconds, I believe. Perhaps. Maybe not. I'm not sure at all. But here, as you can see, it's like frame 0. Then there's a bunch of stuff that I don't know what it does. I want to start on frame 0, not on frame 280, so I think I should fix that. No, but even then, why is the witch not showing up? Like it should show up nonetheless, so that's weird. Like even if this stuff is not working properly, the texture should show up, so I have no idea. Yeah, there's no texture here, but why? Can I check if this is like true or false? Is that a thing? Perhaps. Bool. Yes. Returns true on success or false on a failure. And can I like do this thing or not really? Let's check here. Retrieve a message. Okay. I mean, can I do like if... No, hold on. Let's do it the proper way. If this is false, then show me what the error is. Get error, right? Get error, yes. Okay. Well, let's try. I don't think it will work, but because it didn't work earlier today, but we should at least check that out. Did it print anything? No, it didn't. Or maybe it did and we didn't get to see it. Let's try once again. Okay. No, it didn't print any error messages. That's kind of annoying. Maybe the color... Maybe it's rendering like 0 pixels or something like that. Let's see. Texture rotated. No, it says null for the entire texture. Okay. Destination rectangle or null for the whole screen, basically, for the whole renderer. Okay. Okay. Given. Wait. Did I forget? I forgot to add one extra. I forgot to add one extra brace altogether. It's awkward that managed to compile at all because I was missing a bracket altogether. I believe I was. So it's weird that it compiled having a bracket mismatch, or what it looks like a bracket mismatch to me, to my human faulty eyes. I mean, I was expecting to get some sort of error message, but I'm just getting none. Okay. Can I see how the template manages it? Okay, the template checks for null pointer. And it doesn't assert. Okay, so it doesn't use the SDL error thing. Maybe I can use an assert as well. Like instead of trying to use this thing, can I do like assert true? No, but it's already here. Assert true this thing. I swear there were at least 1,000 bajillion mismatched brackets there. Okay, so like this and like that. Okay, and I can only hope that this throws some sort of error my way, some sort of information. Okay, here. Oh, it didn't like me using asserts. Okay. Okay, now I messed up. Now I messed up the brackets. That's painful. Oh god, no. Hold on. Okay, 1 bracket, 2 brackets, 3 brackets. Let me check how asserts. It's with and. Okay, so it's not equal. It's not comparison. It's the and thing. Here. Okay. Is it gonna be like that or is it gonna be like this? I have no idea. Oh yes, there's a. Sorry. Yeah, there's a. Yeah, it's kind of funky. Okay, let me balance the brackets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Can I get some sort of detailed error now? I did. Let's go. Real programmers get excited when they get an error printed on their screen. Getting things working is not our specialty. We just want the error. Okay, let's check the error. Oh, okay. It doesn't even. Okay, that's horrible. I wanted some more information, and all it says is like, nah, it didn't work. Like, did it work? No. No extra information given whatsoever. Oh, that's so bad. That's bad news. Okay. I think I'll just leave it here for the day. Well, I tried my best. What can I say? We tried. We at least tried. We looked into some examples and